Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install IRS Publication tools and search strategy for tax planning. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by accessing the IRS website. Look for the Forms and Instructions section on the homepage. Navigate to the search bar on the page. Type in Publication Tools for Tax Planning. Review the results for the relevant IRS publications. Select the appropriate publication related to tax planning. Download the publication to your device. Open the downloaded file to familiarize yourself with its content. Make notes on key sections that apply to your tax strategy. Visit a tax planning software or online platform that integrates IRS tools. Locate the section for importing IRS publications. Upload the downloaded file into the software. Verify that the software recognizes the inputted publication. Follow prompts to integrate the publication tools into your search strategy. Utilize the features within the software for tax analysis. Explore different scenarios based on IRS guidance. Adjust your tax planning strategies according to your findings. Regularly consult IRS publications for updates and changes in tax law. Save your work frequently to avoid data loss. Continue refining your tax strategy using feedback from the tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.